Wise Monkey, please subscribe and share. We'll show you how to take the crankshaft pulley bolt out. Sorry, background is pretty noisy. So this is a Honda, and for the timing belt, to replace it, you need to take the crankshaft pulley out. Not sure if you can see it. There's the crankshaft pulley. So this is the setup you need. I took the fender out because I want to access this space, and so we need this. This is the tool. Oops, gonna got stuck here. Honda sells this tool for like I think $40 or so. Right here. So this thing, slide this thing in. This is the crankshaft pulley jammer or so. So the way it works, you slide it in. There's a slot in the pulley. Honda's has it. That this thing jams in. Then use a breaker bar like this to breaker bar the bottom of it. And jam it to the floor. Now the other one goes to the center. And the opening, this is not this way, this is tightening counterclockwise. So this is the opening. Now you as we turn this, the breaker bar gets locked and stops the engine. On the asphalt it's better, so it gets locked and jams the engine. Or we try to move this one is very tough. What you're going to do is use a bent pipe like this. Yeah, big pipe, it's kind of bent. So when we go like this, we have to bend it a little more and then open it. Okay, hope this helps. Please share and subscribe.